Hi guys, today we are going to look at the ads and social feature in our Smart IQ. For a business, if there's a heart, it's the ads. It's only through these ads that people get to know that such a business exists. So, to create such ads, how are we working manually right now? There's a separate designer team and another team just for analyzing those ads. We developed a digital marketing agency, and all these ads come under that. We are developing and running it. So, what has become normal now is that for any action, you need a digital marketing agency. That's the situation now. But all this is the old trend. Because to overcome all this, Smart IQ has this ads and social feature where you can do everything without any help from a digital marketing agency independently. Even if a single person doesn't have coding knowledge or designing knowledge, within a few minutes they can create ads for themselves and run them on multiple platforms. So that's the kind of powerful feature Action Social offers. Let's see about that without any delay. So, before we go fully into it, let's have an overview and see what's inside. First, what we'll do here is connect our accounts: Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, whichever platforms we want to run ads or videos on, we'll connect all those platforms with this. This is just a this is just the first step, which is the connecting step. So once this is done, it's a one time setup. Once we connect, that's enough. Next, what we'll do is there will be a full fledged AI assistant for us here. Using this AI assistant, we can create our ads. Just by giving our business details and specifying what kind of ad we want, with a few simple steps, the AI will create the ad for us and give it to us. After the ad is created and given to us, we can run it right there. Or we can schedule it and run it later. For example, if I create 110 ads, I can just schedule them, and even if I'm not there, those ads will automatically keep running for that person. They will keep getting posted on Instagram, Facebook, and everywhere else. So, after that, the next thing is to track performance and insights, how much reach these ads have gotten. From that, we can see how many leads we've got. From this, we can check if our business performance, sales, and revenue have increased or not. We can monitor all of that in this dashboard. Usually, what we do is the data coming from Instagram is analyzed on a separate platform. The releases from Facebook and their analysis are on another platform. And like this, for all 11 platforms, we have to analyze them separately. Instead of that, here it's unified. They're going to view and monitor everything in one place here. This is the biggest advantage compared to Smart IQ. Now let's see a bit more technically and practically how we create this. So this is our Smart IQ dashboard. Here, click on lead generation. If you want to click on lead generation, the fifth feature here is ads and social. Now I'm clicking on it. After clicking, a page like this will open up. Here I've already connected our Meta, Instagram account and everything, and I've also connected Facebook. So if you need this connection setup, when you contact our team, they will handle this connection setup for you. They will guide and help you out. So once that's done, there are no issues. After this, we can look at what the next step is. Like I said, you can manage all your accounts here in a single unified platform. Instead of opening Instagram separately and checking, or opening Facebook and checking, which takes up so much time manually, we can simply finish everything right here. Okay, so what we saw just now is in the advertise section. But before that, there's another very important task. What is it? That's branding, which is crucial for every kind of business. Why branding? Only if we have branding can we appear unique to the outside world. So now we are going to add our branding here. This is all a one-time setup. Once you set it up, whenever you want to create an ad, it'll be ready for you. Just give the details suitable for the ad. That's enough. Once you set this up, that's all you need to do. So now I've pasted my website's URL here. When you do that, the details about your brand will be automatically generated and given here. So we also need to generate this, and without any kind of there's nothing else to it. So I just copied the website called cinches.in and gave it here. Then clicked on get data from website. When I do that, it will automatically fetch and give us all the details, like what kind of business we do, what products we have, what services we offer. Everything will be pulled and given to us through that website. So once it comes here, the basic info is in English language. Branding logos like this. It has automatically taken everything from our website and given it here. So the mobile number and all have come, and what we can do is we can add them if needed. Just giving 12 crore 34 lakh 51,234. Finally, just giving one number. So hours. Location. Okay, if we add it like this, that's enough. So everything else is already given. Since we are filling it manually, we can do this. No issues. Okay, so next is brand voice. Next, let's see what we missed adding. So they've asked about goals. Usually when it comes to goals, we can just set them up as needed. Okay, now we've come to brand voice. So what is brand voice? It means how the tone and do's and don'ts of our ad should be. Don't incorporate humor and things like that. It should be formal. It should be innovative. Our words should reflect that kind of style and personality. We can also decide how the image, video, and caption should be. So, here the section will show us, and based on that, we can create our ad from here. So, there shouldn't be emojis, and if you want it without hashtags, you can specify that. How our content should be, that's actually our brand voice. This is optional. You can add it if you want. Next, products and services. What kind of products we have, we are going to add that here. Even if you select add from website, what it will do is it will directly pull all the products and services listed on our website and bring them here. So now I've given it and it's loading. What we've set up on our Chinnasaparam website, it will fetch that and give it to us in a few minutes. So on our website, we had given things like web development, mobile app development, and so on. Now it has brought all of that here and added them under our products and services. Okay. So if we want to add any image here, we can upload the image from media and add it. This is how we need to set it up. First, for setting up our brand, this is the way to do it. Next, after finishing the brand setup, in Advertise, we have already connected everything. Like I said, if you need Connect support, our team will guide you. So next is Creative. This is where we are going to do everything. That is all our ad templates and everything else, we are going to do it here. So for full ad templates, now I'll just select full ad template and click on Instagram. Then for Instagram, what we'll do is create an ad. Okay. So now when I click on view ad template library, I already have something like this. There will be templates here and we can do it for any business we want. For example, residential business, fashion stylist, dealership, real estate. There are multiple business templates available here. So from here, we can import and use them. If you want to edit and use it, you can do that as well. But if you don't want that and want to create your own, now we can do that too. Let's click on it. After clicking, we choose where we want to post. Now I'm going to choose Meta. If we choose Meta, both Instagram and Facebook will be available for us. So now we are going to start fresh and get ready. So what is goal first? We have to choose our goal. If our goal is leads, we can select leads. There is also website action. In that there are options like traffic, sales, and conversions. Or if we are creating awareness like that, what is our goal? Why are we creating this ad? If I want more leads now, I will choose leads and click save. So describe what you are advertising. Here we have to choose what we are going to advertise. There are already many options here. So I am choosing software developer company. Now for my company, what am I going to do? If I say there is such a company and create a post, then click save product. So we can click this and improve it. For example, here you see add promotional offer, like giving a 50% offer for the first project or free initial consultation. Things like that can be given. Audience focus, if you say focus from this minimum category to the maximum age category. If we want this ad to reach people, we can create and update the brand accordingly. Okay? Audience focus is shown as applied. So now if we want to upload creatives or any images, we can upload them as well. Just click there. Or if I give my website link, that's enough. Is there a website here? So search here and whatever images are on our website, all those images will be fetched and shown to us here. Through that, we can use those images for our ad and generate it here. Okay, now I have given the website. Now on my website, there are this many images. If I select this, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this image to run the ad. So I'm selecting this image. After selecting, I'll crop it. Just do it and save changes. That's what we did. Now this will become an ad for us, just like that. When we close this, if it appears here, we click on generate. Then our ad will be previewed here. showing how it has been generated. They say you can understand your business through a website. Once we get the ad copy, what do they do here? When we create and give it, right now it's only 10% complete. So when it's fully completed, we can see how it looks. So as you can see, it's fully loaded now. We've got 1 to 10 images and videos here and we can choose from them, okay? So now we've got something like this. The price that's been automatically generated for us. So if we click here, we can select whichever primary text we want. We can choose that as well, okay? So if you come down to call to action, you can see sign up showing here, right? Do you want sign up or do you want book now? In the same way, whatever call to action you want to give, you can select that too. For targeting audience, whom do you want to target? Age, gender, all that. You can set it up here as well. Next, if you click on add combination, you'll get all these options. That is, the ones you see at the top will change and you'll get these. You can look at each one and choose whatever you want from here. This is for posting in the feed, so instant articles and things like that will show up here. The content below will change accordingly. You can read through and see which content you want and then try posting it. So when we look here, we can see that things are changing one by one. Okay, so this is how it works. We'll create an ad like this and we are going to run it on both Facebook and Instagram. Why? Because both are under Meta. So once we create one here, what we can do is run it. This is how. In the creative section, we create the ad and then we are going to run it. Now, next, does this have creative assets? In this, the images and videos needed for the ad can all be created here itself. So I've chosen the platform and for the product I'm entering Smart IQ. For the primary text, we have added this much primary text now. The headline is optional, so for the name I've given Smart IQ. I'll click save and once I do that, it will create a text for us. So like this, after that we can choose and edit it here and once the ad comes, we can do whatever we want with it. That means we can post it. Now if I go back to creative assets and I want audios, I can go and click on audio generator, give this product and after giving this, if I want a voice for this, I can click on that and generate it as well. When you give it, isn't it here? It will give us an audio like this. Okay, right. Transform a business with Synesys, leader in IT solutions. We specialize in software development and digital transformation, helping you thrive in this digital age. So, if you see, you'll know this has come and it's fully. The script we generated, it's been spoken and given to us. We can just click it, download it, and use it. So, in the use own script option, our own script can be built in here and then we can convert it into a voiceover as well. So, starting from the voiceover, everything can be created nicely here. So, what this means is you can create assets here and store them. When we run the ad, we can use those assets and run it as needed. Next, we have the audience section, right? So now it's reaching 11 audiences. Suppose someone searches for us on YouTube, how do our videos come up in front? It's because of keywords. So this is mainly for exploring those keywords. So first, if I choose Keyword Explorer and select it, now why automation? I type business, then I select English, and then I choose India as the country in my settings. So after choosing that, I click on search. Then it shows us what kind of keywords we can use. See here, it says things like AI automation business, ANP BPM using AI to automate business. These keywords have been searched about 50 times on average per month. So it gives us this kind of information. In November, there are this many searches. In October, you can see how many searches there were. So when we run ads or create posts or YouTube videos, we can use these kinds of keywords. For this, we don't have to go to a separate website to check. We don't have to pay money to another website to get keywords. It directly gives us the trending keywords that are suitable for our business recently. Next is analytics. Here we can see the analysis for all the ads we've run. Okay, so how much we've set for a month, how we fixed the rate, how it was in the previous month, how much we've spent, how many clicks, and how much reach we've got. All of that can be seen here. So, like that, for 11 campaigns, that is for 11 ads, it'll be shown here. So, no matter how many multiple platforms we run ads on, we can see the analytics for all platforms in this single dashboard. Plus, remember in the previous videos we saw about creating a website? The analytics for that also we'll see here. So, how many users have come, and from that, how much revenue we've earned, all that will be shown here. Conversion rate, sessions, all of that can be seen here. There are still many more features to explore in this. Once you feel this will be useful for your business, just contact the details given in the description and book a demo. Definitely, our team will reach out to you. Whether you need a designer or an agency, your ads will still be under your control. So, if you want to further increase your business revenue, you don't need to hire a separate agency just for ads or spend extra. If you've been searching for a way to run ads on your own without any technical skills, then Smart IQ is the solution for that. But this is the solution. In just a few minutes, you can connect your accounts, create ads, and see the results live. So quickly book a demo. Their team will reach out and contact you. I hope you liked this video. I'll meet you in the next video with another feature of Smart IQ. Thank you for watching.